So to do an effective, angel in a flowing robe, you gotta be, get some practice drawing or painting fabric. So today I thought, well, I looked at, references online. I couldn't find nothing that was like suiting my taste, and so I took this dishcloth and wrinkled it up and threw an apple on there just for, like some context or something. Then painstakingly took my time and tried to draw the fabric, and you're not really supposed to have lines in a serious drawing, but I was a little lazy, I guess, and it's a kind of a shortcut. So I did do some vague lines, I guess. And I mean, ideally, you just want to do the whole thing with shades, and the lines just appear because you're doing the shades in the right place. But that could really take some time. Last time I did it that way, I spent like 40 hours on the drawing or sketch, whatever it was. So anyway, here we are tootling away, and the whole idea, if you just take your time and focus, that maybe you'll get something half decent. And so that's what I was doing. And at this point here, I thought, oh, I'm almost done, or I am done. And so I switched from time lapse to video, because this was like the big moment where you add like a few crucial dark areas that will hopefully make the whole sketch really pop with riveting detail at that point. I don't know why the apple looks like it's at the wrong angle. If I took its other shot that we opened with, the apple looks like the right angle. So I guess it's just the skewed camera here. Anyway, so that's my big fat fabric drawing sketch excitement today. And thanks for watching.